Investing often feels intimidating to beginners. Charts, markets, and financial terms create confusion. Many people delay starting, believing they need more knowledge or more money. But the reality is different. Investing at its core is simple. It is the process of putting money into systems that grow over time. The first step is starting small. Large capital is not required. Even modest amounts can begin the process. What matters is consistency. Regular contributions build momentum. Monthly investments create a steady flow. Each contribution adds to the base, and the system begins to take shape. At first, progress is slow. Returns appear minimal. Growth feels almost invisible. This is where most beginners lose patience. But this stage is critical. It is where the foundation is built, where habits are formed, and where discipline is tested. Over time, compounding begins to work. Returns generate additional returns. Growth accelerates gradually, then more noticeably. This is the turning point, where money starts working independently. The system becomes self-reinforcing, and effort produces greater outcomes. Diversification is another key element. Spreading investments across assets, reducing risk while maintaining growth potential, creating stability within the system. Automation simplifies the process. Scheduled investments remove emotion. Consistency becomes automatic. Mistakes are minimized. Another important factor is time. The longer investments remain in the system, the stronger the compounding effect becomes. Time amplifies every contribution. Many beginners focus on quick profits, trying to time the market, chasing trends and short-term gains. This often leads to losses or inconsistency. The most successful investors take a different approach. They focus on long-term growth. They ignore short-term noise. And they trust the system. 3 key lessons emerge. First, starting early matters more than starting big. Second, consistency drives long-term growth. Third, compounding transforms small investments into large wealth. The journey from beginner to millionaire is not instant. It is gradual. It's built on discipline and structure, and sustained over time. The surprising truth is this: anyone can start. But very few continue long enough to see the full effect. Investing is not about complexity. It is about behavior, habits, patience, and consistency. These define success. If you want more deep insights into investing systems, wealth building, and financial strategies, explore more videos on Wealth Finance 61. Like the video, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments.